Hey everybody, Federico here. I'm so proud to announce I have another amazing year with Progressive Medical Concepts ahead of me, and we developed a very special treat for you guys. We developed the Progressive Driving Trainer. In the Progressive Driving Trainer kit, you will find the juggling balls, then you will find the head strap, then you find the wrist waist, and last but not least, you have your rubber band. If you're wondering how to purchase our kit, you can go on progressivemedicalstore.com.